Okay mga katropa, we'll have a review naman sa ating Taurus T4. So yun. So I made a few changes ito sa T4 ko, especially with the buttstock. Ito yung tinanggal ko, tapos pinalitan ko ng Fab Defense na adjustable buttstock na may secret compartment and shock absorbing capability. So 6 points siya, yung adjustable retractable stock siya. So, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang pala. 5 points, no? Ayan, pang last 6. So it came with 2 magazines na polymer. Tapos first we'll make sure it is clear, no? So take out the magazine, wala siyang magazine, empty, and then open the chamber, lock the lock the bolt plug. We'll check the chamber if it's empty physically, and visual check, wala siyang laman, walang laman. Release the bolt. Yun. Put on safe. Okay? So ito yung optics na ginagamit ko, is T3S courtesy of Mike Lanzon. So yan, Mike's military surplus, sa kanya galing to. And meron akong Surefire na M951 Surefire na may IR filter sa dulo. Ito, may IR filter siya. So malalaman mo anong purpose pala yung IR filter. So the full purpose of the IR filter is for use for night vision goggles, no? So pag may gamit ang PVS 7 o PVS 14, i-on mo yung flashlight, wala kang makikitang visible na ilaw. Pero pag suot mo yung PVS 14 or PVS 7, makikita mo malinawanag na maliwanag, para ka nag-illuminate. So tanggalin natin yung cover ng filter. Ayun siya. So we can try na pailawin. Ay, wala palang baterya to. Tinanggalan ko ng battery. Sorry. Okay. Start check. Meron ba? O lobat lang talaga siya. Parang lobat lang to. Walang laman. Tinanggalan ko pala talaga to ng baterya. So we can try to check with the battery, using the battery. Because of that stuff. May nakastoro kong baterya dito. Try natin. Tingnan natin kung nandito pa yung baterya. Tanggal ko yung cover ng buttstock. And then we'll try it open. Wala siyang laman, pre. Wala. Nothing inside. Tinanggalan pala talaga ng baterya. So anyway, I remove the battery for safety purposes na rin, no? Kasi if you're not going to use any electronic devices for a very long time, advisable yan na tanggalin mo muna yung baterya niya, no? You need to remove first the battery if you're going to store your electronics for a very long time. So ito yung T3S ko. It's co-witness, no? Kung magtataka kayo, bakit nandyan yan? Ang layo, nasa harap, medyo nasa harap lang. Oh, front heavy na yan. So don't worry. Kaya ko pa naman yan i-handle. Tapos naka-co-witness siya sa iron sights ko. So if you'll notice, natin yung makikita. Wala rin pang baterya. Tinanggalan din na baterya. Tinanggalan ko rin pala ng baterya. So wala talaga siyang baterya, no guys. or lobat lang. Lobat lang to. Lobat lang. Wala na, dead sa yung baterya niya. It's been here stuck for a very long time. Hindi siya umiilaw. Pause muna natin. So itong T4 ko, assembled in 556 by 45 nito. Meron siyang dust cover. And then the rails, quad rail siya. Quad rail, meron siyang carry handle. Check natin kung totoo ba yung chismis na floating around recently, no? The lower receiver of the Taurus T4 allegedly is polymer daw. So try natin kung polymer ba. Because if polymer to, paano ba natin ma-check, sir, kung polymer ba talaga yan? Gamitan natin ng lighter, yung dipungal. Mga dipungal, makinig kayo, tingnan nyo to, oh. Oh. Malulusaw sana yan, oh. Oh. Wala. Hindi siya nalusaw, men. Wala. It is made out of 70-75 aircraft grade aluminum, no? Meron naman gas-gas dito, gilid, oh. Makikita nyo konti. Oh. Dito. Oh, kita nyo, aluminum yan. Okay, so tumahimik na kayo dyan mga Inudipungal. Bumili na kayo ng Taurus T4 nyo para ma-check nyo talaga kung polymer ba o hindi, ang lower. So anyway, we're going to check sa insides ng ating Taurus T4. So we're going to remove the takedown pin, open it, no? Okay, so we're going to see the inside. Ito yung ganito yung loob niya, guys. Ito yung hammer niya, AR-15 hammer. Tapos kung ano yung binabalak niyo dyan, lagyan niya ng lightning link o ano pa yung pang fan switch niyo na binabalak niyo. Wag na, kailangan niyo ipamil to, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh. Kailangan niyo ipamil yung part na yan. You need to have that removed para mapasok niyo yung kung ano yung gusto niyo ipasok dyan. Tapos wala siyang, kailangan niyo pang butasan niyo, no? Marami kayong gagawin yan. Butasan niyo pa yan dito, butasan niyo pa yan dito, no? For the third pin. Tapos yung buffer niya is H2. H2 yung ginagamit na buffer. Kaya i-remove yung buffer. Okay, ito yung buffer niya, oh. H2. H2 yung buffer. So I'm going to remove the bolt. Tingnan natin yung bolt niya. Yung BCG. BCG. So the BCG, the bolt carrier group is full auto ready na, no? M16 type. Kasi pag AR type yan, AR-15 type, tinapisan yan dito, hanggang dito lang sana yan. Anong purpose nun? Para hindi niya to matrip yung auto sear, no? So does this work sa yung bolt, same bolt, does this work sa mga military grade full auto na mga AR natin na gamit? Of course it does, no? It will work. Paano mo nalaman? Paano mo nasabi? It works. May respect siya, may respect, no? Taurus T4 was used by our Army Scout Rangers and other special units of the AFP, and we have good reviews coming out of it, no? So maganda siya. Yung bolt BCG pala niya, and the bolt is boron nitride coated, no? For corrosion resistance. So the barrel, hindi ko makita saan hanapin kung chrome plated ba siya. Pero nung tingnan ko yan dati, nung tinignan ko ito sa loob, no? Parang chrome plated yata siya. So probably it is chrome plated. So it came with a 2-point sling. Ito, so sling niya. So ito yung gamit ko na sling. So that's it guys for our Taurus T4. No? Mga katropa, no? Especially with the members of Skeptron Arms, long live Alpaca Paro. O, yung trigger niya pala na, check natin, oh. Military trigger talaga. Medyo heavy siya, but it's okay. No? So, thank you guys.